Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will solve the remaining sums of practice set 3.3. So let's see question number 2. Question number 1 is already solved. Okay. So the question is the length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of median of its hypotenuse. Now let the triangle be ABC. Okay. Now triangle ABC is a right angle triangle with angle B equals to 90 degree. Segment BD is the median drawn on hypotenuse AC. Okay, so we have to find the length of median. So let's first write down the given. In triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 90 degree. This is given. Also, length of hypotenuse, that is AC, is equal to 15 units. This is given. Now here there is no unit given like meter or centimeter, so we will write it as units. Okay. What else? Segment BD is the median. Segment BD is median on hypotenuse AC. So here we have to find the length of median. So to find BD or length of BD. Okay. So let's begin with the solution. Now in triangle ABC, angle ABC equals to 90 degree. This is given. Segment BD is median on hypotenuse AC. So this is also given. Okay. Now we have seen the property of median. According to that, the median drawn on hypotenuse, its length is half of the hypotenuse. So this theorem we have already learned. So let's apply this theorem. So therefore BD, which is the median, BD is equal to half of hypotenuse. This is the property, half of hypotenuse. So here the hypotenuse is AC. So we will write AC here. So the property we'll write down in a right angled triangle. This is the property. We have to write the reason. Right angled triangle. The median drawn on the hypotenuse is half of the hypotenuse. Okay. So therefore BD is equal to half into the value of AC is 15 units. So let's substitute AC equals to 15. So this is equal to 7.5 units. Okay. And therefore BD, that is the length of median, is equal to 7.5 units. Okay. Now let's solve Question number 3. In triangle PQR, angle Q equals to 90 degree, PQ equals to 12, QR equals to 5 and QS is a median. So find length QS. So this is the triangle PQR where PQ is equal to 12 is given, QR is equal to 5 and QS is the median. Okay. And we have to find the length of QS. Now here in this triangle the hypotenuse is not known. We will first find out the length of hypotenuse PR. So now let's begin with the solution. In triangle PQR, angle Q equals to 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square, that is PR square, is equal to side 1, that is PQ square, plus side 2 square, which is QR. So QR square. Here in reason we can write Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now let's substitute the values here. So this is equal to PQ is 12. So 12 square plus QR is 5. So 5 square. This is equal to 12 squared is 144. 5 squared is 25, which is equal to 169. So PR square equals to 169. So PR is equal to 13 by taking square root. Okay. So we got the value of hypotenuse PR. Now we know this QS is the median, and by the property of median, here the length of median is half of hypotenuse. So let's write it. As segment QS is the median, on hypotenuse PR, so therefore QS is equal to half into PR, that is hypotenuse. So let's write down the reason here. In a right angled triangle, the median drawn on the hypotenuse is half of the hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the reason here. In a right angle triangle, the median drawn on the hypotenuse is half of the hypotenuse. So here we will substitute the value. Half into PR value is 13. So let's substitute here. So this is equal to 6.5. So therefore QS is equal to 6.5 units. Okay. Now let's solve question number 4. In the adjoining figure, point G is the point of concurrence of the medians of triangle PQR. If GT equals to 2.5, find the length of PG and PT. So this is the question. Here in triangle PQR, G is the centroid, okay, and we are given GT equals to 2.5, and we have to find the length of PG, okay, and then length of PT. So let's start. Solution given is G is the centroid of triangle PQR and length GT equals to 2.5. This is given, okay. So now we have already learned this property that centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So let's apply this property here. So you can write in triangle PQR, point G is the centroid, okay. So this is given. Now therefore now PG upon GT, okay, because the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, so PG upon GT is equal to 2/1, that is 2:1, okay. So we'll write down the property here. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, okay. So now we already know the value of GT, which is 2.5. So let's substitute. PG upon 2.5 equals to 2/1. So now let's find out the value of PG. We can cross multiply here. So PG multiply by 1 equals to 2 multiply by 2.5, okay, so which is equal to 5. So we got the value of PG, that is PG is equal to 5. We can say 5 units. Here also we can write 2.5 units, okay. So we got PG. Now here PG plus GT, as points P, G and T are collinear points, so we can write PG plus GT equals to PT, okay. So let's write that. Now PT is equal to PG plus GT. So why it is possible? Because points P, G and T, these 3 points are collinear points, okay. So now let's substitute the values. PG is equal to 5 units and GT equals to 2.5 units. So this is equal to 7.5 units. So we can say therefore PT equals to 7.5 units. Okay.